This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
23 in and around
Haripur, Mollikpur, Sonarpur.
Baripur to Diamond Harbour to Sonarpur.
Subhasgram is left.
In the meanwhile, Gochoro. Nothing.
Subhasgram
Yes, Subhasgram tomorrow.
is left. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, day after tomorrow.
So how could you cross from Mollikpur to Sonarpur, leaving Subhasgram?
May I suggest one thing, my lord, because of that, my lord, I believe it. Each and every station they ought to appraise this court about the status. It will be kind enough, my lord, give. And that will be helpful for there also up to another 1 or 2 months, my lord, because I am
1 month is not required. We will do it. For Havra, we have already done it. For Dialda, we will do it.
it's so harsh.
Let
But
me-
up to my lord, I humbly prayed, my lord, up to puja, my lord, nothing, my lord,
Up to puja.
See, because
Yes,
the
yes.
other most of the matters are fixed.
because
The hearing has also commenced.
Yes.
Otherwise, it will get out of my mind what
Yeah.
Mr. Bhattacharya has argued.
yes.
So that is why.
My lord, why I am praying because of that they are really in trouble, my lord. If they
The project of railway cannot be stalled.
Let them start commence the hearing. Let them prepare because they are also praying for some time, some more time to prepare.
For Shialda matters.
Since I have kept all the matters on 29th, I am keeping that on 29th. Let the argument start.
as my lord impute. But in the meanwhile, my learned friend, my lord, yesterday says about a scheme. If
It's
they
a scheme.
whatsoever, if they
I could
Please tell them if
I have
some of
told
them
him.
want.
yes.
Sample tenders wherein these hawkers are given place for stalls on the station, so they can apply and participate on those
They will
tenders.
apply. Please apply.
How could you appraise us?
Told my learned friend that
Appraise us because that is their livelihood, only livelihood. Because they not on anything. They
instead
are for
coming to
30 years,
court, they could help
25 years. They are
file
really
and
helpless. They are
participate
really
in those
helpless.
tenders.
But kindly,
I appreciate that, but when it comes,
yes, we are bound by law.
I
We are
have to-
bound
I
by
have to decide it one way or the
yes,
other
we are bound
based
by
on
law.
the
We are bound by
papers.
law. We are bound by law. No
Based on
doubt
the
about
papers.
it. But if railway came with, because they are in that place for last long 30 years, 40 years, they are in that place, my lord. No doubt about it. Their livelihood only depends upon that, my lord. Some of their children, they are in school or college. If in that time, my lord, if they are hosted out in one go, my lord, they will really in trouble, my lord. So kindly keeping in all these things, if they came up with a scheme that yes,
It's
you
not
are
a scheme.
whatsoever.
Voters.
He is saying that there is something you can apply for that.
Give
Under
us,
that-
give us.
She is telling, please,
Give us any link or any website.
how that
or-
is to be done.
Absolutely,
what
Your
process is,
Please give us, and we will.
you can also communicate with your other friends
Yes.
who have filed similar petitions. If some of them want to avail of those,
Yes, we want, but even we want to give some license fees. It is helpful for the railway tariff also, because if they get, suppose they get 50 rupees per day from each area, and if they says that you put your shop in that
Inside
place
Havra
or
station,
outside of the station, whatever the place, because
something is, according to them, they are concerned about the unorganized way in which.
yes, they organize us. They organize
So
us.
that's one thing. Second is the issue of development. That's
Yes,
one of
we
the
are
vital
not.
aspect. So if development is to be made, some
Yes,
arrangement.
third is safety, fourth is cleanliness.
Cleanliness,
Safety
obviously.
is also
None
there.
of them follow that.
You have come across the very recent decision of the Honorable Supreme Court
Yes.
with regard to the footpath.
Yes.
So you have also seen that.
But
that's the way
may I
in
suggest
which-
one thing? May I suggest one
That's
thing?
the way in which it is.
May I suggest one thing? Because I talk to them. Because I want to, because which way they will be benefited as well as the railway will be benefited. If they give us, suppose they.
You also have a duty.
Your Lordship, the
Yes. We
direct
want
or the
we
GM is
want
not
to.
authorized to hand over a tender
No. I am not.
portion to any XY person.
I-
It has to be done through an open tender where
Yes,
they
yes.
participate and that will be
May I
allotted.
suggest one thing?
That process they can.
May I suggest one thing? It will be kind enough if they suppose take a railway station. They floated a open tender. Not there is no harm about that. Suppose they wants to give 500 square feet place for suppose 10 or 15
question is,
hawker.
it
So-
may not be all of them who are there. They
Might not be accommodated, might not be accommodated.
because they have also to take a decisions whether they can
I suggest-
any
I su-
portion of that area, whether it's possible or not, because they have also to take a decision.
For that reason,
At present, there are stations where they are not able to, passenger cannot get up or get down. Train stops
yes,
for few
no, yes,
seconds.
it must not be. It must not be. There, because 10 is all for the
Safety and
passenger.
security of the passengers, those are also to be taken into consideration.
Obviously,
After
oh
all,
no.
railway authority.
Obviously, railway is for the passenger, no doubt about it.
Yes.
But may I suggest one thing? If my learned friend, being an Article 12 authority, consider it. Suppose because they also ready to form a cooperative, because that will be for helpful for them also. Because I talked to them, it is not possible that you occupied whole platform or whole station. It is not possible. If they form a cooperative and they take up a piece of land or whatever the form, it might be a license form, it might be another form, whatever they deem fit and proper, give us and we will ready to accept it. We are ready to accept it.
State
That is
also
against
a
the
party.
railway board's
State
policy.
is also a party. For that, I have also
Yes,
asked the
yes,
state
yes.
to come up with their
Their proposal, at least their proposal, because it's a
It is only
for
one
the livelihood of a large number of
Give
people.
them some time. They,
State
are,
is not 1 month old. State
They
is
will-
not 1 month
they
old.
will form a, even state is working on it, they will form a scheme to wherever hawkers are being removed, they will be accommodated. It's not that they won't be, but it will take some time.
There are
So that they have to come up with something, because after all,
they are the people of our
that-
country. They are our men. They are our men.
Absolutely.
so that's one thing. Being a welfare state, you have to also consider. I'm not telling you because
Your Lordship, your
yes, but
Yes.
the state is also a party. They have also to take into consideration this aspect of the matter also. For that, I wanted that state to come up with their suggestions, anything.
Yes.
But
And
Your Lordship,
you
our Calcutta falls under the categories of city as third in terms of metropolitan city. If we visit Howrah station, the conditions still existing in front of Howrah station is precarious. All the restaurants, those are not the grade for which these
obviously not. Some restriction.
half of them
Or-
approach
to-
this
or
court.
to-
Half of them have approached this court and are enjoying.
is expected to come within the next few days.
And well, it will be kind if they came with a suppose a scheme or whatever the manner.
हम नहीं
over-
बोलेगो, they
If
progress
they
stage.
came up with that,
On
then
later stage.
they will not came because their condition is really pathetic. They are not compelled to came to the court. If they says in giving a public notice, yes, we are thinking
Why
about.
are you apprehending that the state will not take a sympathetic attitude? State might come up with take some attitude.
Yes, yes, I want because they're I really talk with them. They're really in pathetic condition because they are even some of the station might not get this notice, but they are apprehending. So, my lord, in this situation, if they came up with at least a scheme or whatsoever manner, if give a public notice regarding this, so my lord, even they ask for a suggestion for that, even they whatever the manner, well, because it is not possible in one go. Lakhs of people they will be ousted out and they will be ousted out from their livelihood. Well, it is all about my lord will visualize it. But I believe my lord they also in sympathetic ground they also consider their things also. Well, that's my humble.
This is which
This
station?
is Sonarpur item number 20.
On platform.
In and around.
On
There.
platform.
No, I am not.
In and
noting.
around Sonarpur.
Sonarpur.
Yes.
ABDB of service. এটা 24 বছর
On platform.
in and around
On platform and in and around the said station.
Earlier was a steady hawker, they give that running hawker facility by the dictum of the apex court. So in same line, I want that if they give us some sort of livelihood, that's my prayer, because I gone through several, but I have no. I have what?
She has heard your prayer. She will obviously
Yes, I believe my land
Honorable
authority.
For both Havra and Shialda, I've asked the DRM to provide a sample tender which was floated earlier. I'll provide my learned friend. Similarly, where it would be published, they all can apply and get it.
If that's
have
so,
to do it
if
in a
that's so, I want
systematic
we
manner.
wants to give the license fees to the railway also, and in that manner, railway also gets some tariff from us.
Yes, next.